Clayton Homes is a Berkshire Hathaway company. We are one of the largest home builders in the United States, but we are unique in that we provide a lot of different services around home building and home buying. So we build homes, we sell homes, we finance homes, and we insure them.
To be honest, without Zoom, I'm not sure how we might have functioned over the last couple of years. So we build homes here that we sell to the dealer. And so that's a long-term relationship sell, and there's a lot that goes into that. And we had always historically thought that it required us to be on site and in front of people.
In the middle of the pandemic, I started managing the call center, trying to figure out, ways to incorporate the remote workers and to be, engaged in activities and the things that were happening at the home office. That definitely was a challenge.
Many of us are moving into new work styles, new hybrid work styles. So it's important for us to keep that in mind and to ensure that we're creating a level playing field for all of our team members. And that's where Zoom came in. So with that, we introduced the concept of Zoom rooms. It's easy to pop in to meet with people that are here in the home office with you, as well as quickly inviting folks that may be remote or working from home or at a different location to join a meeting. We use the whiteboard feature where we can collaborate together, we can annotate on, say, the design of a home.
We figured out how to connect people, internally. Even through the pandemic, we've promoted, I think it's over 25% of our team in the past year. So there's really not anything that we don't feel like we're able to do.
Pre-Zoom, our sales force in particular, were traveling out of the office every other week. I believe that going forward, what we will find is that there is not the need for people to be out and spending that time away from their family and that money from the company. But I think that we're going to be able to actually give a better experience to our customers, have them feel like that we're there and with them more often without actually having to be physically in front of them.
I think the initial scores that we had for our team member engagement was high because people were able to connect. And I did wonder what it was going to look like after we had kind of transitioned more to, being in the office 50%, some people still being remote. And we were really, really thankful to see that, our scores had increased by almost 20%. And Zoom's a big part of that.
Zoom is future leaning. We know that, if we think of an idea, the Zoom team has probably already thought of it and is probably on the verge of rolling something new out for us. So it's just exciting to constantly hear about new features, new ways of working, new ways of interacting.
Zoom has allowed us to continue to be what it is that we strive so hard to be, and that is to be a company that communicates with its people, communicates with its customers, and lets them know that we are all in the same boat, rowing in the same direction.